We are back again. What did everyone say? Regent Street. So we are back at Regent Street to see how busy it's getting when it's getting a little bit more darker. Right? My phone has been playing music continuously from the time I have started my vlog. So it must be. Oh, my battery is still, yeah, it's like 10 minutes already. 10-15 minutes of the footage is already. Into the store, I wanted to go in just for the AC. Just for the AC, I wanted to go in. I was acting so cheap, guys. Yeah, you could see how much I'm sweating right now. So you need to be a little cheap somewhere, especially when the place is hot, right? It's not that hot, but I'm walking through and I don't really walk too much. Oh no, I'm just flexing. I walk too much, guys, because I need to, I have to practice. So I've been practicing walking like 5-10 miles like easy, but a little sweat on my face, that's it, because the place is hot. Otherwise, yes, for this view, last time you guys said I shouldn't repeat, man. It's okay one time now. Maybe I take this shot on the one. Yeah, last time you guys said it's a city council, right? So here we are, taking the city council. The other side. Walking on the street is much better than walking in the inner side, because inner side is like on the path. I mean, it's like too much hot. I don't know what's the reason behind that, but it is. Walking on this side. Oh, let's use the phone, man. We also have a phone. Why do I keep on forgetting that I have a phone to use and see where I am exactly in my location, Let's see. Oh, that's what they said. This is Regent Street, guys. That's what they said. It is. So it's just we are in the beginning of the Regent Street, so you don't see the crowd. Actually, a lot of people are walking on this side because they want the breeze too. I want the breeze too, and the view of the market from outside. You don't have to be in the crowded places all the time. Now you could be. It's a little dark too. So when it's dark. What the guy was saying, I don't know. Yeah, there's some Indian market too, right? You have to go outside. We'll get on the outer side for the view. Alright? Walk on the outer side, but walk carefully because you could hit yourself. He's going back, so we can walk from here. Still too much traffic on the way. Over here to explore. I don't know if with my speed you could be able to see anything around, but this is Regent Street, walking on the outside. Okay. Am I just speaking bullshit? Right now I'm not showing you the market, but the market is, this is how it is, guys. I think it's gonna be crowded. I think, oh, I forgot to mention that, you know, markets over here close soon, you know, so they close at like 7-8 o'clock. So you have to see if you will be lucky to be here in around like 10 o'clock. Maybe the day I have off on the Christmas, one day before I'll come back if you guys like this. Let's walk from here. Let's just see if the focus is now getting. Is it going to take me the whole day to just to figure out how to set this camera on the right focus? Or I have done something wrong with this, because it shouldn't be doing like this, you know. Its gimbal is not working right. Don't say that I have to apply some oil on that. Not everything needs oil. Let's just check out. Bad. I went all about camera in this footage. Whatever it is, you can keep on watching. I know I'm not interacting to anyone because this time for me it doesn't look safe for me to interact with anyone. Let this car go. Otherwise, it wouldn't be a good thing to break laws in this country in front of some diplomats or something.
You on for
say, but shoes over here are nice.
Stop running up the stairs.
I think this time I will get to know, or I will learn that this challenge is not good for the battery to die till the time I vlog, because the battery is gonna die in like 1 hour. Until that time it's gonna be too dark for me to be out. Let's see. It's going out of the camera, so please forgive me for this time at least, until I get my issues fixed with this camera, or I have to shoot with another camera maybe. Because whenever I'm changing the position of the camera, it's not changing it. It's just getting stuck. I think maybe it's just not working. That's coming in the market. Okay. I will usually show whatever is. This is the whole Regent Street I have walked through. So whichever clip you would be seeing is all Regent Street that I'm walking on. So you can find your way around. Where have you been? Where do you usually shop? Where were you today if you were here? Or where would you have been if you're outside Guyana and you want to be here? during Christmas. So, what was your spot, you could say, to shop around in Christmas in Regent Street? Most popular street of Guyana, guys. Regent Street. Here we go. I think I have slowly overcome that problem. That was the camera problem that I was facing. I still don't get the camera focal pulled down, but I have an angle where I could shoot. Maybe because it's in the follow mode and it's getting locked. Some